the $10 billion Bitcoin whale was correct. If you guys don't know, this guy called Garrett Bullish on X, you can research him if you want, but basically he's been proven to have around $10 billion in crypto. He trades for a bunch of people, probably one of the biggest whales out there in the market. But he has been saying for the past few weeks that he is very, very bullish on Bitcoin and that this current consolidation zone we're in will eventually break to the upside. So I want to quickly remind you of his thesis and where we could end up going, because once again, he is very bullish and thinks this will continue up, and also how it aligns with my look on the market as well, in my personal analysis, because me and him actually look at the market in a pretty similar way. So I firstly want to go over his thesis. So the first and most important tweet you need to look at is this tweet right here. So if you guys don't know, silver, gold, all these metals have been on a massive run, and he is basically saying here the upside in silver, palladium and platinum is a short squeeze and unsustainable. Once they start to reverse, they are likely to drag gold lower as well. The capital will rotate out of precious metals into BTC and ETH. So basically digital gold is where all of this money for metals is about to rotate into, according to this $10 billion whale. On top of that, he believes that US stocks, especially the tech sector, will continue grinding higher with some shakes along the way. Since BTC and ETH are highly correlated with US tech stocks, the recent dip relative to the Nasdaq is just an oversold price range. The market is positioned to an upside move. So before I get into his exact medium-term price predictions, this is his official Hyperliquid account right here. He's obviously taking more trades on centralized exchanges like Binance, but we can't really see those. On his public Hyperliquid account though, he has a total P&L of $94 million. And you can see his 3 trades open here are BTC, ETH, and Solana. And yeah, you can see his position value. The biggest one by far is Ethereum. He is super bullish on that. Ethereum has underperformed a lot this cycle, so I'm assuming he thinks that is about to change. And yeah, you can see his entry price. And as for his actual targets are in the medium term, his first price target, so this is obviously implying he thinks it could be a lot higher than this, but his first price target is 106k for BTC and 4.5k for Ethereum. So once again, expecting Ethereum outperformance. In my opinion, this also implies an alt season happening as well, as historically whenever Ethereum runs, that is when altcoins go absolutely crazy. And what I find very interesting is that this all aligns with my analysis that I've been telling you since I created this channel. So firstly, one of the most important indicators you should get on any of your charts is the cyclic polygamma bands. Basically, whenever this is hit, it has historically led to it being some sort of massive bottom. And you can see after the scary dump we had, this was hit. And although a lot of people didn't believe it, I didn't truly believe it. That was at the bottom of the market. And I mean, you know, if this whale is correct on Bitcoin, we should see outperformance right here. And on top of that, the S&P 500, something that is historically been very correlated to Bitcoin, has also continued up. It is down in the last few days, but honestly, this doesn't really matter too much structurally speaking. It still made an all-time high on the 26th of January, and it's still clearly in an uptrend. So we'll probably, I'm assuming, likely continue on. So yeah, I mean, full steam ahead in my opinion. You know, the $10 billion whale is bullish. Gold, all the other precious metals seem to be falling down. Yeah, I mean, stocks are continuing on higher. We got the polygamma band bottom. Everything is lining up for crypto to have another leg to the upside. Once again, check out the links I have in the description down below if you want to trade on some of the best crypto exchanges. I have huge bonuses down there you can claim as well. Bybit will give you a $30,000 bonus if you use my link. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you like these update videos, and I'll see you soon.